What's going on, everybody? MrSettin007. I'm working on a Honda Odyssey, and there was a lot of rattle in the front end, especially when you go over bumps, and went through changing all the suspension, brand new shocks, strut assembly, tie rod ends, links for the front sway bars, right? And still had that noise. It wasn't as pronounced, but it was still there. Obviously new brakes, even changed the pins, but found out that there was no boot. But the noise was actually, the old pins were no good, and the brakes calibers would rock back and forth and rattle on the bumps. That noise that you hear was magnified at least 20 times. So any bump, you would hear that noise. So make sure you check the pins. I'm going to replace the boot. These are new pins, and there's going to be a little rubber piece in the whole set. I'll see if I can put it in my description, the link. But there's a little rubber piece, that little rubber piece right here, that's going to go in the pins inside the caliper to help stop that rattle, along with the boot. The boots are missing, obviously, you can see that. So, little insight on front end noise and rattle. So before you start chasing and replacing, check out this very simple, your front caliper and the pins space, and there's that little black tab that I showed you. It's inside here. It's probably gone, so every bump, like and subscribe.